after so many months ng pag-prepare, 100,000 away, I love how we were able to keep our relationship private. Kasi na sobrang private. Nagtatago tayo sa lahat ng tao, except sa family. I miss that time. I miss yung dates na ginagawa natin. Kaya pag sinasabi mo na hindi ko na-enjoy yung simple dates, trust me, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya.
Noong una kita nakita, nakuha mo agad yung atensyon ko. Sa isip ko, how can a girl be so beautiful, yet so cute at the same time? Kaya natuwa ako nung akala ko makakasama kita sa fieldwork, kaso ayun nga, hindi natuloy, so nalungkot ako. Swerte ako kasi nabigyan ako ng second chance and yun nga yung badminton. Sabi nga ni Migs, may maganda palang nadulot yung badminton natin. Tapos naiwan mo pa yung tumbler mo and the rest was history. Kung bibigyan nga ng MMK title yung kwento natin, pwedeng tumbler yung title. Whatever happens, saan ko na dyan kayo, nandito rin ako lagi para sa inyo. Love you both.
Love you, nak. Love you. Love you, nak.
Thank you kasi yun nga, kahit mag-aasawa na ako, ikaw pa rin ang mag-aalaga sa akin. Of course. At si Papa pa rin ang maghahatid. Hindi ako aalis ng bahay. Alam mo yan. Hindi pa ako aalis ng bahay. So, doon pa rin ako na isang tao.
I shake, but it's this ball of fire, I swear. It trembles in my bones. 'Cause you're my star. You're my star. This sea of faces, they fade into the dark and light us.
Ay, baby, expected mo na to eh. So, sana magustuhan mo and sana kasya siya sa'yo. Pinaghirapan namin to, naka 6 months installment, Charis. Love you, see you later, BB Pies.
You tremble in my bones. 'Cause you're my star. You're my star.
I think alam ko na to. I think binili niya to nandun ako. Pero hindi niya pinakita.
Higher than my love, you will always be wherever I go. 'Cause you're my star. And you take me
Gabriel E. Anzel at Joanna Rose sa hirap at ginhawa sa kalusugan at karamdaman. Napakaganda, till death do us part.
You take me home. You make me feel
The promises I will be making are not for them, they are all for you. Pinapangako ko na gagawin ko ang best ko to be the most loving husband for you. I repeat, loving, not perfect. Kasi I will never be perfect, but I will love you the best way I can.
You're my star. You're my star. take me home.
I did not make you a poem because I do not want to say goodbye to you. I reserve this vow to the one and only woman I want to spend my life with, and that is you. I love you so much, Bibs, and I am happy that I will get to live the rest of my life with you.